Hi guys, welcome to Bit One Grade. So in this video, I'd like to introduce you the Trality trading competition, which will be held from March 1st to May 16, 2022. And this competition will be hosted by Trality, which is our sponsor, and also uh, start a company that operates the platform for automated trading. Okay, and I think this is a very good opportunity because you can use Python to build a bot and compete with other uh, traders. Okay, and also there will be about 60,000 USDT price. So uh, by participating in this competition, I think you can improve your Python skills. At the same time, you can aim for price. Okay, so uh, let me cover more detail. So let's see. Okay, okay. So there will be 5,000 USDT prize for first winner, first place, and also there will be a free 1 year Queen plan. Okay, and the second place will get the 3,000 USDT plus a Queen plan, and third place will get 2,000 USDT plus a Queen plan. Okay, and there will be for from fourth to 10th place there will be uh 1 year Queen plan. Okay, and there's no fee for participating in this competition. I think there's no pressure from a fee side. And see. Okay, and and you can join this competition following these steps. First step is you need to make a Trality account, which is free, and you need to register for a competition. Okay, and you're good to make your own trading bot. And once you submit your bot, you're ready to compete in the competition. Okay. Okay, so let me log in and how to show you how it looks like. Okay. Okay, so once you sign in, you can create your own bot. Okay. So see. Okay, so if you click here, okay. Uh okay, I'm gonna put bit one grade test one. Okay. Then I'm going to choose exchange. Okay, and for your information, there are four options in terms of exchange here. Okay, so Binance, Bipanda, Kraken, and Coinbase. And for this video, I'm going to choose a Binance. Okay, and I'm going to choose the asset, which will be BNB. Okay, okay. So and you're gonna okay. May take some time. Okay. So there are both templates, okay, to choose from. Okay, I'm gonna choose MACD. Okay, and there are many details. Okay, so and the details are well explained in the documentation. So you can test out your bot, and you can do back testing on everything. It is a very comprehensive editor. So I highly recommend Trality competition to make your Python skills and automation skills better. Okay, so this is the end of this video, and I wish you luck if you are participating in this competition. Okay, thank you.